Alright, here's the 10 amp fuel pump fuse for the relay. I know it's hard to see with this light, but the circuit does not visually appear to be, or the fuse does not visually appear to be charcoal, burnt, or broke, or open in any way, shape, or form. But with the voltmeter and the test lamp, it definitely shows that it's open. And when the vehicle was running, you could check this fuse with the test light and the voltmeter, and it showed good. Alright, here's another view of it. See, there's no charcoal burnt marks on it. It's a very odd situation. Very odd issue. Alright, well, I'm diagnosing this no start issue now that the vehicle's starting. I kept hearing the ignition voltage leak going tick, tick, tick. So I took the test light, my second test light, I got one there, one here. Started probing around the cylinder 6 ignition wire. I noticed it was arcing down there on the exhaust heat shield. So I turned it around and I could see a little white dot on it. Can't pick it up with the camera thing, but there it is. Test light. Pinhole in the boot. And this is an 05 Equinox. 05 Chevy Equinox.